Good evening, masters. Today I will share the topic holistic wellness, that is how to sleep like a baby. In Ayurveda, sleep along with diet and celibacy are considered as upastambhas, that is fundamental pillars of life. When we sleep, the body is at rest, and that helps for the deep cleaning and healing of the body. So that we say the prana shakti in our body gets recharged. Researchers have also discovered a great new treatment that elongates lifespan of human being and helps to heal all diseases from common cold to cancer just by having adequate amount of sleep. A normal healthy human being cannot be without sleep longer than 3 to 4 weeks. Inadequacy of sleep give rise to disorders of mind, sense organs, digestive, excretory system, and also reproductory system may get affected because of inadequacy of sleep. So for an adult, so the recommended hours of sleep is 6 to 8 hours every day for maintenance of good health. And if children can sleep more than 8 hours, no problem. Children and aged people. So when to sleep and when not to sleep. Ideally, night time or good for sleep. Like you can sleep by 9 p.m. and if you can wake up before 6 or at around 6 a.m. and that is well and good. Ratri Jagarana, that is called in Ayurveda, it is awakening during night time. So that causes to the roughness in the body, rukshita. Roughness means, so that will disturb the smooth functioning of our digestive system and the smooth functioning of the organs. So if we awake during night time and sleeping during the daytime, that is called divasvapna in Ayurveda. So it is not advisable except for summer season, that is Grishma Ritu, especially for the people who have kapha problems, that is mucus related problem, and also people who are struggling with weight, and those who are obese and have the pitta problem, that is aggravation of heat in the body. So if those people they sleep during daytime, that may aggravate the pitta and kapha in the body, that is mucus and the heat in the body. But in summers, in India, it is going to start from March. 28 minutes of daytime sleep or 28 minutes of noon time sleep, it is good. It is not prohibited. It is good for children, age old people, and people who have injuries and who are on the recovery, and people who are suffering from stomach related issues like diarrhea, which is very common in summer, and other breathing problems, and pain in joints. So they can have 28 minutes of good nap during daytime in Grishma Ritu, that is summers. Then how to achieve this adequate sleep for every day? First thing, we must remember that a happy gut leads to good sleep. So that is the first thing we must know. So the first and foremost step is we should develop the habit of having early dinner, that is before sunset. 5:30 to 6 p.m. in the evening is ideal, and make sure not to consume solids after sunset. And it is recommended to stop having sugar, tea, caffeine, and snacking after 5 p.m. If somebody is addicted to the habit of drinking tea, coffee, It is good you have them before 5 p.m. Or if you can go for herbal teas like cinnamon tea, or ginger tea, tulsi, or any other flower teas. So it is well and good. And especially in summer, in the evening time, it is good to avoid fermented foods for evening snacks and dinner, like dosa, idli, doklas, because the fermented food it will increase again the pitta, and because the heat in the body is less during the night time, so it leads to dehydration and gassy stomach. So avoid fermented foods for dinner. um, so best food you can have for evening is a small bowl of rice uh, with cooked vegetables, or rasam, or steamed vegetables is a good choice for dinner. And according to Ayurveda, the eatables prepared from sugarcane juice may work wonders to your body by enhancing the sleep quality. Or just a glass of sugarcane juice will also do. And naturally available sugary fruits like banana and berries, if they are sweet. So again, they are wonderful for a good night's sleep, and yes, it promotes the good sleep. Sugar, naturally available sugary fruits. And before you go to sleep, prepare yourself at least 1 hour prior you go to bed, by avoiding gadgets, and television. And you can also reading books, indulge in reading books, or engaging in your favorite hobby like painting, singing. And oil massages are also considered good for a good night sleep. Like you can start with oiling your head and body massage. If someone is allergic to coconut oil, it is, I mean, if they get cold, so they can go for alternatives like mustard oil, sesame oil for winter season, and for summer season, coconut oil will also do. And you can also have a shower with lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold, and hot water, hot foot bath. That is, you can immerse your feet for 15 minutes in warm water. That will also help you to have a good night's sleep. So these are the tips you can adapt in your daily life to get that good amount of sleep. And by sleeping, you can heal your body, and that will also enhances the energy, and the metabolism of the body is well maintained by good sleep. So I would like to acknowledge the sources. That is Sattvic Revolution. This is the script is taken from Sattvic Revolution by Subha Saraf, and Lakshminder Dwivedi's Charaka Samhita of Maharshi Agnivesa.
Yeah, thank you, Sindhura ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing wonderful knowledge with us.